It's finally Friday and time for your FriYAY Fast Facts from Visit North Platte. We are so excited to be announcing a new partnership with Dusty Trails LLC to offer Sandhill Crane tours in the North Platte area. Several North Platte lodging partners are offering special rates to our Sandhill Crane visitors. Tour tickets can be purchased online at npcranetours.eventbrite.com. Each year, several 100,000 Sandhill cranes will spend 6 weeks in the Platte River Valley near North Platte on their way to their nesting grounds in the north. The cranes will feed, loaf, and dance in the crop fields and meadows. The spectacular dance of the Sandhill cranes is something that can't be experienced in a viewing blind on the river. From March 9th through March 31st, the height of the annual Sandhill Crane migration, Dusty Trails LLC will offer two-hour tours each day of the feeding, loafing, and dancing grounds of the Sandhill Cranes in the Platte River Valley. The tours will depart from the Visitor Center at 101 Halligan Drive at 8:45 a.m. and 2:45 p.m. The tours will linger adjacent to fields where large groups of Sandhill cranes are gathered. The elevated views offered by the Dusty Trails LLC bus will give you the perfect perspective to experience the incredible dance of the Sandhill Crane. For more information on the Sandhill Crane tours, go to npcranetours.eventbrite.com.